so young, young in every way. Thought life was just a game.
So welcome to another video. We've got Arslan in today. This is his system. Extra light density, nice graduated hairline. Just got to take the lace trim off and we'll get this one fitted and do some nice close-ups. Beautiful hairline. Should look amazing. So here we are. We're here with Arslan again.
Yep.
To do yet another. Which number system would this be? Today's is that the fourth, fifth?
That's the fifth, I think. Fourth, fifth. So yeah, fifth.
Wow! But this one is. We just got a video of this before we take it off.
Yeah.
So this is obviously the how old is it?
It's nearly 2 years now.
Nearly 2 years. Now I know a lot of people cannot get a system that long, and this is quite unusual. But fair play. It just goes to show that Arslan is a very good wearer. Obviously, it's starting to thin hair there, but
Yeah.
you've always parted the hair from there, right?
Yes.
So that's always going to be the kind of danger area. Yeah. Because what a lot of guys they do now, I say to them, like, do a couple of months sort of doing the part from this side,
Right.
and just keep changing it,
Okay.
and then you'll find that it wears a bit more evenly.
Yeah.
But no, that said, if you've been parting it like that for 2 years, and it's only thin that much,
Yeah.
that's pretty. Just looks natural, doesn't it?
Yeah. It looked very natural.
It's incredible. That is absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
So this is going in the spare box, I suppose.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. Okay, let's get the new one on.
A bit whiter because that's why
Yeah.
I stick it.
Now, so there is an alternative glue. A few clients that have taken in refugees, actually.
Okay.
Where you can get the exercise.
Yes,
So,
yes.
my boys used to play football as well. But
Yeah.
okay. So did you say the last couple of months? Yeah. I mean, there was a couple of other ones at the start which were reasonable fun. So no one's sort of stopped in the street yet. Well, so many people are going for these sort of densities now, though, you know, the extra light. Like go in there with the system on, and they just got to get the clips. Pakistan.
Okay.
What's his name? Well, he's a director.
Right.
Yeah, so to Obama.
Yes.
And I think Rishi Sunak is very different to Boris.
Yeah.
It's rubbish. It's all gone now. It's
Yeah.
nothing. We're just a tiny little island, aren't we?
Yes.
I was so young, young in every way. Thought life was just a game we had to play. Even though looking back, it all seems the same. Problems I had back then now seem so tame. Remember when we chased the but
Burning question, does Boris Johnson actually wear a wig? Let's check him out. I'm here with the big man right now. Hi Boris, can I just have a little look under the hood please mate? Let me have a little look. Oh, look at that hairline, that's got to be a... That's even one of my hairlines, or that is literally, that's his own hair. Well Boris, let me style it for you. Beautiful.